Greetings to all. This is another video on the program ChangeMyHud, in which we will view the configuration of the program. Suppose you get a free 7-day license. Unpack the archive in a convenient place for you. Let's run Poker Tracker 4, and other programs that you use during the game. For me it is Stars Helper. In the left section, click twice on Poker Stars. Make sure that Memory Grabber is checked. This is not necessary but will allow you to configure the program without registering for the tournament. Start Import Hands in PT. So it is necessary to note that before configuring ChangeMyHud you need to set up and save position for all HUDs like 3 max and heads up. Run Room. Go to Settings. Make sure that the Highlight Bet Amount feature is disabled. If you plan to use auto registration, you must disable the closing of tables and allow registration without inputting the buy-in. Make sure that the Highlight Target Table feature is disabled. Open Table of Spin and Waiting for HUD. Run ChangeMyHud as administrator. Allow the internet access for the program. If necessary, update the program to the recommended version. When you first start you will see a form with a version of the program, as well as other useful information. After observing, close this form. Here is the main form of the program. Go to Settings, Config. Press Select Table and select the table of spin. The program will try to detect the position of PT icon and HUDs. If successful, a message will inform about it. If necessary, the coordinates may be corrected. To do this, click the button corresponding to what you want to change and specify a new point in the screenshot. So, for example, we change the points of the left and right HUDs. Press Set Left HUD and choose the place where the left opponent has HUD. Repeat for the right opponent. The PT icon is detected correctly. No need to change it. In the drop-down menu, select the HUD you want to use, staying alone with your opponent. Click Save. Agree to rewriting and closing the table. Make sure the HUD you use in 3 max is locked. To do this, click on the icon PT, and click the element Save and Lock Layout if it possible. Change HUD on the previously open table, which you indicate early as used in Heads Up. Make sure that the PT icon is in another place. If not, move it in any other HUD's items. The point you specified for the PT icon must be free from all elements. If you plan to use the tagging hands, then go back to the settings, config. Change the table type for Heads Up. Press Select Table and choose a table with HUD Heads Up. Press the Set PT and specify the position of the button in the form of the poker tracker sign. Click Save. Agree to rewriting and closing the table. Hit Start. It is done.